How to add a passkey in the BingX application. Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily add passkey in the BingX app and enhance your BingX's account security. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First things first, open BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and click on Security Center. Now under Security Center, you will see an option that says Passkeys. Tap on it and click on Add Passkey. In order to add passkey, you'll first need to go ahead and enable the verification methods below. Choose any one verification method. I'm just going to click on phone. Now go ahead and enter your phone if you haven't yet and click on link. Phone number to blur kar dinu la. Now click on the get code button on either of the text boxes and you'll receive verification code in your mobile number via SMS and in your email. Go ahead and enter the verification code as soon as you receive it. Go and open up both of your SMS inbox and then your email inbox and you'll receive a verification code. Once you are done with entering your codes, click on Add Passkey in the pop-up. Scan with your Face ID or your Touch ID and you have successfully turned on or enabled Passkey on BingX. Now click on the Turn On button and next time you sign into BingX, you can sign in using your passkey. To check, restart your BingX application and you will see this kind of an interface. After you scan your Face ID or your passkey, you will be able to sign in immediately. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.